Kronospan have been busy bees recently, investing into their Chirk site here in the UK. Part of this investment has gone into a brand new cleaning line for their chipboard production. With eco-conscious Kronospan using a very high percentage of recycled timber in their chipboard, this gives materials such as metal and stone a free pass to come on board. However, Kronospan's new cleaning process is astonishingly efficient, so let's take a look at how it all works. Incoming recycled timber is sorted by size. Wood not suitable for the process is used to fuel the biomass boilers which provide heat for drying the boards further down the line. Vacuum hoods are then used to remove plastics and textiles, and magnets are used to remove metal contamination. The recycled material then passes through air graders, where fans blow the wood and heavy contaminants drop out of the airflow. The material goes on to be scanned by an X-ray, and any high-density contamination, such as metal, stone and glass, are removed. The wood is then chipped, dried and sorted according to size. A final cleaning stage on the dry material sorts the particles based on density to remove fine metal, stone and glass contamination. Kronospan have come a long way in the last few years. This major step to introduce brand new state-of-the-art technology to clean the recycled timber for the chipboard core means we can feel safe in the knowledge that Kronospan are remaining sensitive towards the environment, alongside producing boards that will cut cleanly and dependably.